Welcoming in for sale at Lloyd Land Rover Carlisle this Defender 90 D250 X-Dynamic SE. With an eye-catching Eiger Grey exterior complementing the extended black exterior pack. This Defender 90 also comes fitted with LED headlights as well as 20-inch alloy wheels, keyless entry and privacy glass. This Defender also benefits from a full service history as well as 12 months warranty and roadside assistance. Also coming fitted with a fixed tow bar. Stepping inside the Defender now, we're just going to take a look at the Meridian sound system as well as the driver seat memory function, electric window controls and blind spot assist. Also coming fitted with electric front heated seats as well as a sliding panoramic roof. I'm now just showcasing the steering wheel as well as the steering wheel controls, which include lane keep assist, cruise control and voice control. And then coming on up to the interactive driver's display. Heading down to the centre console now, I've got the gear shift as well as the 2-zone climate control and the extremely responsive Pivi Diamond infotainment system. This infotainment system truly has so much to offer, and here I'm just going to go through some of its fantastic features, including the 3D surround camera, navigation, Apple Carplay, Android Auto and so much more. And finally, taking a look into the back of the Defender now, showing ample space for up to 5 passengers. For any more information or a personalised video, please get in contact on 01228 599 000.